Hello teachers, in this video I'm going to show you how two things. One is how to schedule your class so that it will recur every week. This is quite easy and it's really versatile because the student can check his calendar and see what's going to be next, what his subject is going to be and when it is going to be and whether it is started or not. And also it helps the teacher to find out what subjects she's going to have, so she doesn't need to check the timetable. So it's basically your timetable in the calendar. So let's see how it's going to be done. So I'm going to schedule my subjects for tomorrow, which is Wednesday. You can see the first period is 10D ICT, so I'm going to put 10D ICT. You can use the same naming convention here, 10D ICT and GCK. I think it's better to follow the same convention that Colombo has suggested, right? Okay, you should add it here at the channel. You need to add your class in the channel, right? Not in the attendees, right? Here 10. What am I going to have tomorrow? 10D ICT, right? So here 10D, 10D ICT. It's this one. This is the class, because now there's a team for every subject. So I'm going to select this. Remember, you have to click on general, then only it gets added, right? And if you select the channel there, it will get selected as the channel. So if you want the whole team, then you should select the general. Okay, now tomorrow it's going to be tomorrow, and the time is going to be 9:45 to 10:20. So here 9:45 a.m. to 10:20. 10:20 a.m. 35 minutes, right? Okay, now this is where you have to set it for the next week as well, and all the weeks actually. So put a repeat and select weekly. So this meeting is going to occur every Wednesday starting from tomorrow. Okay, well, that's it. And here, if you wish, you can add some details. And remember, when you send it, it will go as an entry for all their calendars, and then remember, you need to go to meeting options and select them as attendee. Well, actually this is going to be in 2 periods. So I will have to duplicate this, or else, since it is 2 periods, I can simply change the time to 11. Yeah, so now it's going to be till 11, right? So remember to have this 5-minute break. Alright, so I'm going to send it. You can see it's been scheduled now. It takes a while, so you have to be patient. Since this is not relevant for me, maths, I don't know what surge is, this math surge, so I can simply decline to that, because I don't want that. This is not relevant for me. Okay, now my one is scheduled, right? Okay, now what you have to do is just click on this, and you have to go to meeting options, Okay, now here you can set who can present to only me, right? Otherwise children will start playing fool if you set it to everyone. But well, that's how you do it, and this will recur. So this symbol here is the uh, recurring option, I mean symbol. Okay, so this will appear in every student's calendar as an ongoing event every week. Okay, so let me show you another thing, that is, when you have multiple classes and if you want to get everyone on board in one team, how do you do that? Teams, and you are going to create another team, new team, create team, class, get an ICT, and I need to have all the 10 classes in this team, right, inside this team. So what I do is I go and add member, select Hari. So right here, start typing a name to choose a group, distribution list, or a person at school, right? So at the time of creation only you need to select this, not after creating, remember that. So here I'm going to type year 10 there you go, year 10 ICT, and then I'm going to add year 10 B ICT, so you can see that you need to type up to some extent. It doesn't show when you just type year 10B. You need to type up to a certain extent, and I can see it's going to add 27, 33, 34, 33 members, all GCK. So that's why I think it's very important. It's a good decision that they added this school at the end. So make sure that you add only GCK classes, right? Add, you need to click on the tick, right? Alright, so let's go and check. Yes, we have 39 members. Let me also show you how to duplicate a team and change the name. Okay, something like this. Let's say they have created a class team like this one. So based on the class team, I want to create a subject team. So I don't need to add all the students again. Simply you are going to duplicate this, right? So how do you do it? You go and start a new team, class, okay, and you need to select this one, create a team using an existing team as a template. So click on that and select the class that you are going to use. So I'm going to use 10B class, and I'm going to change this to my subject, 10B ICT. Remove copy, make sure the convention is correct. It should be 2021, and then select members here. Don't forget to select members, and then create. Simple as that. Okay, I already have a team. Okay, and then skip. Let's go and see. Okay, so yes, I have two of them, right? That's because here it's 21 and here's 2021. Yeah, actually the naming convention should be 2020/21, right? So let me delete this. So that's how you do it. That's how you use an existing team, class team, and turn it into your subject team. without adding any students. It just copies a team, right, existing team. So hope everything is clear for you, and if you have any issues, any problems, feel free to contact.